Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Rafi Amali. I want to explain the challenge of big data paper. Big data analytics. Big data definition. Big data includes unstructured, not organized, and text-heavy and multi-structured data, different data formats resulting from people, mechanisms, interactions. The term big data, also called big data analytics or business analytics, defines the first characteristic of this method, and that is the size of the available data set. There are other characteristics related to the data which make it feasible for big data tools. Those characteristics are well named by IBM as 3 V's. These 3 V's refer to volume, validity, and velocity. However, more recent articles have added 2 more V's as to give a better definition for big data. The additional V's include velocity and value. Volume refers to the quantity of data of information. This data can come from any sensor or data recording tool. This vast quantity of data is challenging to be handled due to the storage, sustainability, and analytic issues. Many companies are dealing with huge volume of data in their archives. However, they do not have the capability of processing this data. The main application of big data is to provide processing and analytics tools for the increasing amounts of data. It is obvious that this characteristic of big data can be seen in various sectors of oil and gas industry, such as exploration, drilling, and production. During oil and gas exploration, seismic data acquisition generates a large amount of data used to develop 2D and 3D images of the subsurface layers for the offshore seismic studies. Narrow azimuth solid streaming NETS uses the geodetic data to develop images of underlying geology. Wide azimuth WAZ is a more recent innovation to capture more data and develop higher quality images. All these tools and innovations are generating more data which requires processing and analytics. Recent innovation in drilling tools are also generating large amount of data during drilling operations. Tools such as logging while drilling, LWD, and measurement while drilling, MWD, are transmitting various data to the surface real time. Optical fibers combined with various sensors are now being used in well tubular to record different parameters such as fluid pressure, temperature, and composition during oil and gas production. The term velocity as a characteristic of big data refers to the speed of data transmission and processing. It also refers to the fast pace of data generation. The challenge is about the velocity component is the limited number of available processing unit compared to the volume of data. Recently, the data generation velocity is huge, as a data of 5 exabytes is generated just in 2 days. This is equivalent to the total amount of data created by humans until 203. The velocity characteristic is even more prominent for oil and gas industry due to complex nature of various petroleum engineering problems. Processing large amount of generated data by an individual for a complex problem is impossible and result in significant can delay and uncertainty. There are many cases in which real-time and fast processing of data is crucial in oil and gas industry. For example, fast processing of well data during drilling can result in identifying kicks and preventing destructive blow-offs efficiently. Variety refers to the various types of data which are generated, stored, and analyzed. The data recording devices and sensors are different in types, and as a result, and generation data can be in different sizes and formats. The formats of the generated data can be in text, image, audio, or video. The classification can be done in a more technical, structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data. It is reported that generally 19% of the generated data is unstructured. However, the majority of oil and gas generated data from SCADA system, surveys, and facility drilling data and production data are structured data. This data could be time series data which have been recorded through a current course of time. Another source of structured data include the assets, risks, and project management reports. There will be also external structured data sources such as market prices and weather data, which can be used for forecasting. The sources of unstructured data in oil and gas industry include well logs, daily written reports of drilling, and CAD drawing. The sources of semi-structured data include processed data as a result of modeling and simulation. There are various practices of experimental and computer simulation in the oil and gas industry to generate data for future analytics. This data can be categorized as semi-structured and data and later to be used with big data tools. Efficacy refers to the equality and usefulness of the available data for the purpose of analyzing the decision making. It is about distinguishing between clean and dirty data. This is very important, as the dirty data can significantly affect the velocity and accuracy of data analysis. The generated data should be professionally and efficiently processed and filtered to be used for data analysis. Otherwise, the result will not be reliable. The variety of data is challenging in oil and gas industry, specifically due to nature of data, which mainly comes from subsurface facilities, and it might include uncertainty. Another challenge comes from the data collected by conventional manual data recording, which is done by human operators. Value is a very significant characteristic of the big data. The return value of investments for big data infrastructure is of a great importance. Big data analysis hook data sets to reveal the underlying trends and help the engineers to forecast the potential issues. Knowing the future performance of equipment used during operation and identifying the failures before happening can make the company to have competitive advantage and bring value to the company. It is also stated in the literature that beside these 5 Vs, 3 is another important characteristics which will be considered for applying big data. This important characteristic is about the complexity of the problem for which the data gathering is conducted. Dealing with large data sets which are coming from a complex computing problem is sophisticated and finding the underlying trend can be challenged. For this problem, big data tools can be very helpful. Summarizes the above mentioned characteristic of big data. Yes, big data characteristic are the volume, velocity, variety, veracity, volume, and complexity. Big data methodology. As the big data is innovating hard data sets and in some cases complex problem, it's very important to have access to innovative and powerful technologies. These robust technologies should be very fast and accurate processor. In this section, the tools and technologies which are available for big data analytics are listed and introduced. Yeah. Thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.